back and we're gonna auto start a 2020 Nissan Altima. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your key fob here like this, and you're gonna press the lock. All right, this is the lock button. And once you press the lock button, you're gonna immediately press this and hold for 7 seconds. So it's gonna beep. And hold. And there it goes. So now you've auto started. So you're gonna press this lock and then immediately press this for 7 seconds. That's how you auto start 2020 Nissan Altima. You're welcome, everybody.